All right, so when we are trying to find the line on a graph and write it in standard form, the first thing we need to do is write or find the line in slope intercept form. So remember, slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. All right, and we're going to go ahead and write our line in slope intercept form. Let me write it up here again. And then we will convert it to standard form. Okay, so let's go ahead and note that the first thing that we need to look for when looking for the line on a graph is the y-intercept, which is the point that crosses the y-axis. So that is the point that we're looking for, and it looks like it's on 3. So we're going to put a 3 here, and it's a positive 3. Remember, x is not a part of the slope, so we just go ahead and write x. And now I'm going to look for points in the corner of the square on a grid. So that's the corner, this right here is a corner, and so forth, right? So in order to find my slope, I am going to start at my y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 1, 2. You can't see that. Then I'm going to go over 1. And that gives me y equals 2 over 1x plus 3. And we know that 2 divided by 1 is 2. So that's y equals 2x plus 3. All right. So now that we have found our line on the graph, we are now going to solve this or convert it to standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. All right, so that means we have to get our variables on the left-hand side. So y is already over there. We need to get x over there. So I am going to now solve this to get x. So 2x is positive. So I'm just going to subtract 2x from both sides. All right, and that leaves me with negative 2x plus y equal 3. Now, remember, I said that we have to multiply this entire situation by the denominator with the variable of x, since it's rise over run. Since we don't have anything there, it's an invisible 1. So if I multiply this entire situation by 1, I will get 1 times negative 2, which is negative 2, and I bring down my x. 1 times y, which would be 1y. And then 1 times 3, which is 3. So this final equation would be negative 2x plus y equals 3. So in this case, and let me go ahead and put a 1 in front of this y just so you can see it. In this case, our a is negative 2, our b is 1, and our c is 3.